Okay, so this was my first time using Scratch, and it really is a lot of fun. Um, I stumbled upon a taco sprite, and I couldn't resist using it, so I came up with this, which is essentially two tacos flying around on stage to what sounds like the drum beat to Queen's We Will Rock You. So it seems pretty simplistic, but you can see the commands that go into creating just this basic animation. Each taco, each sprite gets its own commands, which you see here. And I really like that you can easily just click on these times and adjust those as needed. I added the forever icon here to keep that on a loop. And it's important to add under events to add this so that when you click on the green flag, the animation actually begins. But this is my first Scratch. Hope you enjoy.